I got a helmet on. I got a mount on top. While you're holding the camera, you can put it on the neck mount as well. Let's get the helmet off. I'm at the park, and not a nice day, overcast, cold. And I got right down here is a traxxas rustler. You got it, VXL. It's been with me for at least 3 years or more. Been with me for quite a long time. And it's one of the most trustworthy trucks you can get. I got a little dirt, sand here, and I got grass over there. So let's go for a spin and see what we can do. All right, spin! Woo! I don't want to go that fast. Let's bring it on back. It's going to be a bumpy ride, but let's do one of these. Set it on up and go out for that spin pass out. All right, so that's pretty good, right? I did a little, spin. Lost in the grass. Come on over here. I'm not sure what the speed's going to be on that. Let's do another spin out. Here we go. Oh, I guess that's about 30 miles per hour the most. All right, time to get the camera, place it on down, shut it off. Just go have some fun. Oh, I got to flip over. Well, let's go on the scooter and go get her. Couple of bumps over here. Here we are. So let's go pick her up, make sure everything looks good. Go have some more fun. Oh yeah. Blew out a tire. That's why she crashed. Look at that. Tire blew out. Unbelievable. Here we are. This is not part of us. Or is it? This is part of us right here. I'm not sure if this is even us or not. At least I found my tire. Maybe I could glue it back together again. Never blew a tire out on the grass like that. I got belts downstairs to put on. I'm going to have to go now order a stock tire. They come as a set, too. At least I have one to, put away and be like a car. It'd be lopsided and uneven. So on that note, I'll pack you on up and head on out. Have a great day, guys.